In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. So if you normally log into your TikTok account using your Facebook, and if you're having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now in this situation, the first thing that you can do is try to clear out the app cache of TikTok. So what you can do is just uninstall TikTok from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of app bugs or app glitches which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. But however, if this is not the case for you, and if the first step does not work for you, the other thing that you can do is try to reset the Facebook app permission. So what you need to do is head over to your Facebook application that you have installed, head over to settings by tapping on the three horizontal lines on the top left, head over to settings, and within settings, if you scroll down a bit, you'd be able to see the option called apps and websites. Within this section, you'd be able to see all of the applications that is currently using Facebook to log in. So within this active list, if you'd be able to see the option called TikTok being displayed. If you have actually used Facebook to log into your TikTok, you just need to tap on the remove option, and once you have removed the access of TikTok from Facebook, what you need to do is head back to your TikTok account or the TikTok application and then try to log in again. By following these few processes, you'd be able to fix the TikTok login problem with Facebook. I do hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.